There it is. Oh, come on. So close. Whew. Ooh, lots of ice. All right. Lots of ice up there. So this is the top of Colorado Super. I have pictures of me during the summer here, and excuse me. This is a great place to walk. There's a road over there, right there where it says, "Look." You follow that road, and it goes all the way around, and it goes up to the top. And you see that building up there? You can see it. That's where it takes you. And it's a nice exercise if you're up for it. So let's take our run down, get our legs warmed up. This will probably be the best run of the day, but I'm hoping to get some good exercise this week, and I feel good. Let's wish me luck. A lot of ice though, I can see it. You can hear it too. You hear that noise? That's ice. That's not what you want to be running into. You can see the wind blowing the snow off of the top of the pack here. Yeah, you can hear it as snow starts to. They're desperately needing. Whew, look at it right here. Wow, this is all ice, literally. Wow. Oh, Vista House. Go there, take a break. That's really nice. Get lunch. Yeah, this is not a good day. I can see all the ice. You gotta stay on the sides here. Feels like the mount to the camera is not tight enough and it's wobbly. I'm curious to see if that shows up on the video. Yeah. See, when it gets this noisy, that's ice. The louder it is, see how it gets quiet when you hit the snow? Bad start to the season. Just a bad start. That's a nice view right there. So it's supposed to be in the 40s today, which is nice. Oh, patch of ice. But it doesn't help. You know, you hear that. See how it gets quiet when you hit snow? That's what you want to hear. Because the ice, you don't have a lot of control. And you think you got it judged, and you're sliding on the ice, and then all of a sudden the snow kicks in. See how it got quieter? And then all of a sudden you're fighting because your edge is catching. This is nicer. I guess farther away from the top. We come over here and stop, take a break. Look at that view, huh? Come on. How can you not enjoy a view like that? GoPro, stop recording.